Hey everyone, thank you so much for joining me for this video. So today we have got another Whimsy box unboxing. So this will be the March box, and as you can tell from the front, there's some tarot cards, and just I love the way she decorates the boxes. So let's open her up. Come on. Oh, okay. So that's, there we go. Thought I had it all opened up and ready, but I was wrong. Bear with me a minute. Okay. So now let's open her up. So I will leave her Instagrams linked down below. This is another of her Instagrams called Celestial Follies. And Kathy, who owns Lace and Whimsy, is actually going to be coming out with a tarot deck. And it's going to be called the Celestial Follies deck. So here we've got some illustrations. They're the same ones. This actually is the inspiration for this month's Whimsy box. It is just super pretty, and I'm excited to see what is in here. I love this little moon sticker, so I think I'm gonna try and save that in some way. Okay, so we'll just cut around that because I definitely want to save that pretty moon. Okay, so the first thing that I see here is this beautiful little candle. I actually did see this on her Instagram, but I'm not entirely sure what all else is in here. As y'all know, I do try to, most of the time I do see what the theme is going to be, but I try to keep it a bit of a surprise. So I'm gonna take that out. Oh, that moon is so that sun is so gorgeous. Okay, so here we've got the March Whimsy box content. So I'm gonna set this box off to the side where I can still see it. So like I said, the candle here, let me get this out of the way so it's not quite so distracting. So here we have got the peppermint soy candle topped with glitter, and she has actually stuck a seal on here that has the different tarot cards that she has come up with for the artwork. So open carefully. Oh, look how pretty that is. Oh, that is so pretty. And it looks like there's a little crystal in there as well. Oh, it smells good too. Definitely smells like peppermint for sure. So cute. So I knew that she had included stuff like this in her Whimsy boxes, but all the ones that I've gotten have not had a candle in them. So I'm super excited that I finally got one that has the candle in there. Okay, so here we have got the vinyl stickers pack. So included in this, I love the moon one. I very, very much love anything lunar with the moon, so I'm super glad I've got a sticker that has that particular card on it. And then we've got one of her pretty little girls here with lavender dress, and she's got like a star headdress and standing on a star. So that's super cute. Let's set those off to the side. Here we have got the cardstock ephemera. So we've got a moon and another variation of that pretty little girl. This time she's wearing a yellow dress, and then another moon die cut. here we have the sticker sheets. So here we've got a couple that are the smaller size, and then we've got the larger size at the bottom. So we've got the sun. Love that there's a bigger one there, and I love this really pretty card sticker. And then we've got the moon. Love her moon phases. I've got several different sticker sheets that have her moon phases in them, and I love them all. And then the star. So, so pretty. There's those, and then the bigger sticker pack has some full box stickers, some flags, and then these little to-do headers, and they're all kind of that beautiful lavender color. And then this one, big moon phase here. I love that. I'm not sure if I'm going to include this in my planner or in my other book that I am doing right now. I'm in the very, very early stages of doing it, so I'm not really ready to share that just yet, but definitely will be using these. And then we've got several of the little girl with the dress in lavender and yellow. And then here we've got the card. Look at that shimmer, so pretty. Ooh, that's gorgeous. Ah, I love that. So this, like, to me, just perfectly embodies her shop. So she's got some vintage looking portraits here, but then she's got her own artwork, and then just, this, Kathy, this perfectly embodies your shop. Like, when I look at this, I think of your shop, for sure. And then here we have got, the Sun mini art print. So this is on a really nice, beautiful matte feeling cardstock. Pretty journaling card if you want to use it for that. And then here we have got a 5x7 moon art print, which I'm super excited about. I don't know what I'm going to do with this, but she is going somewhere for sure. Look how pretty. Oh, I love it. Love it, love it. I cannot wait for her tarot card deck. I will definitely be purchasing that once she's finished with it. I know that she's got a couple of designs, so she also said that in each Whimsy box she's going to kind of double up the work and add in different tarot card designs as she gets them done. So she's kind of doing two things at once, which is really cool. So I'm excited to see what other designs she comes up with. I know I said that last month's box was my favorite, and I absolutely love that box. I'm still working through using it, but this box is going to pair so perfectly with last month's box because it's kind of along that same realm. So last month's box was all about astrology, and then this month it's about tarot. So gorgeous box, Kathy. Thank you so much. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you would like to see future videos, please hit subscribe. I would love to have you over here, and if you have any questions, comments, anything like that, please leave those down below, and be sure to check the description box because I will be leaving links to the Whimsy box as well as her Instagram and her Celestial Follies Instagram. So thank you again, and I will talk to y'all soon. Bye, everybody.